Okay. Hey, Miss Page. Today I am going to be solving for similar sides because uh, when you were teaching it, I understood it a decent bit, but when it came to on the test and stuff and on the quiz, or not on the test, the quiz that was the last quiz, when it came to that, I kind of blanked on it a little bit and got some wrong and was a tiny bit confused. So I kind of felt like I needed to come and do an extra credit video and show you how to solve it. And then I've also gone and watched some videos, looked back at the quizzes, looked at some of the assignments from you about solving with similar sides and stuff, and similar triangles. But I'm going to work out a few examples today. These aren't the exact ones from the test, but I'm going to be solving out ones that are very similar to the ones that we were seeing on the test. So the first one here, you see it's blank first. The first triangle, you see what we're gonna make bigger. And it's just gonna be look like that. And then the second one down here we'll do on a little bit of a smaller scale. It's got a little it's a little messed up down there, but I'll fix that. Um, so say that on this side right here, on this side we're gonna make that say we'll make that one 48. Um, and we'll do it in inches, and so that's 48 inches right there. And then for the bottom side down here, we're gonna do say 12 inches. And then over here on this side, here I'll turn some more so you can see what I'm doing it. So when you do it on this one down here, let's say that this side is 8, and let's say this is x. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take this 48 up, that's right here. You can't see that well, but take this 48 and this 12 down here, and you're going to do 48 over 12 equals 8 over x for the ones that are over here on this smaller triangle. And then what you're going to do basically to find what x equals is you're just going to do you're going to cross multiply. So you're going to do 48 over or times x equals 48x. And then what you're going to do after that is you're going to do 12 times 8. And I'd have to think of that. Let me search that real quick. What 12 times 8 is? I can't think of that off the top of my head. My bad. So 12 times 8 is, I'm kind of blanking here. 96. I don't know why I didn't know that. But, so, we're going to do 48. So, 48x is equal to 96. And then, from there, you're just going to do, you'll do 48x divided by 48, and then you'll do 96 divided by 48, and you will get x is equal to 2. So 2 will equal x, and that's how you would solve that. And then, here, I'll get that so you can see better. There's the math, and there's the triangles. And so here, we'll go to another page. And so here, we'll draw our triangle right here. We'll do bigger triangle. Then we'll do the small triangle. So this one, let's say this side is the x. Okay? So we'll do that side's the x, this side is not on the smaller one, and this one will be 4. And up here, this side will be 8, and this side will be, let's say, 32, you know? And so, from here, if you can see that, sorry, we're going to go over here, and you're going to do basically the same exact thing. You're going to do 32 over 8, and then you're going to do equals x over 4, and then from there, you're going to cross multiply like last time. So 32 times 4, which is, let's see, 30 times 4, that's going to be 128, I believe, I think. So you'll get 128, and then equals 8x from your cross multiplication right here. And then from there, you're going to do the same exact thing that you did last time, and you are going to divide 8x by 8 to get your x by itself. And then you're going to solve 128, or divide 128 by 8 also. So you divide both sides by 8 to get that x by itself and to get what x equals. So you're going to do 8x divided by 8 equals x. And then you're also going to do 128 divided by 8. And that's going to equal, that should equal, let me see, 128, let me do this math, because I don't want to mess up. 128 divided by 8 equals 16. So here now, you have this, you're going to have that x equals 16. And let's see, here, I'll show you the math. The triangle's up there, and then the smaller one, and then you have the math here. And it's just simple, just cross multiplication. It's not very hard. And then I'll solve one more problem. This one, you can make these a little more complicated. You can do a triangle, and the top one, say, is going to have, let's say the bottom length is going to be 2.5. Well, actually, no. On this top one, the bigger triangle, we'll do, its bottom side's 5. The other side is 25. And then on the smaller triangle, the bottom side's 2.5. And the big side is x. So you can see there. And then, so same thing. You put them, and it's going to be 25 over 5. Is equal to x over 2.5. You cross multiply, so you're going to get 25 times, 2.5, and that is going to equal 62.5, so you're going to get 62.5 is equal to 5x. So there, you can see, right there. And then you are going to, from there, do the same thing. You're going to get your x by itself, and to isolate your x by itself, you have to divide both sides from 5. So you're going to do 5x divided by 5, 62.5 divided by 5. You're going to get x equals, x equals 12.5. And that's how you would do. The multiplication's not on the sheet because I did it on the computer since it was odd numbers, because I made sure I didn't want to mess up. So that's how you solve triangles with similar sides. And those are 3 examples. 2 of them have whole numbers, and one of them has not a fraction form, but incomplete number. So from there, that's how you would solve that. But the reason why I missed that on the quiz was like I stated earlier. Um, I listened to how you explained it in class, and I listened to how you explained it in class, and but I think when I was doing it on the quiz, I think my problem was that I just kind of blanked a little bit, and then I also think another problem was that I also messed up when solving them. That was a big problem that I saw, is that I messed up my calculations and stuff when I was solving them, and also that some of them I didn't know. But that's pretty much it, and that's how you solve those. That's how you solve triangles with similar sides, and that's all I have to show today.